Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I have another luggage review for you. Surprise, surprise. And this one is another personal item, because we all need personal items. And this is another great one if you want to travel personal item only. And it's on wheels, and it holds a lot of stuff. Did I mention that if it's a personal item that it is free on budget airlines? I did? Okay, well, I'm going to mention it again because it is free on budget airlines, and that is a big deal because Spirit or Frontier can charge you a ton of money, sometimes even more than the flight itself, in order to bring a bag on a plane, which is ridiculous. So we all know that airlines like Spirit and Frontier are personal item size 18 by 14 by 8. I have those numbers memorized because people ask me 15,000 times a day. And this bag fits the dimensions of that. This, my friends, is the Underseat Pro Foldable Bag. Yes, it is foldable. This is the purple one. We also have a black one that is for Brian, and we're going to take this to the airport at the end of this video and put it in the sizers so that you can see for yourself that you can use this as a personal item. Would work on here or not in the personal item bin? So in order to fit into the bins, it does have to be 18 by 14 by 8. So let's measure it. 17, 13 and a half by 8. This bag does come in 2 different colors, and it retails for $79.95. You can get it either on Amazon or on its very own website, Underseat.pro. And look at all of those airlines that it works on as a personal item. Now you can see on the outside that it is made out of polyester, which means that it will be water resistant. And then checking out the bag from the front, it does have this laptop sleeve, which can hold up to a 17.3 inch laptop, and it's padded. You guys, I don't think I've ever seen a bag that can hold such a big laptop. And I absolutely love that this has an outer pocket, because if you are traveling personal item only, this is the only thing that you can bring is a personal item. You can't bring a sling bag. You can't bring a purse. You can't bring a backpack. It's just this. So all of your essential items kind of need to go in an outside pocket or in your pockets in your clothes for easier access, so you don't have to actually open up the whole suitcase every time. So I do love this pocket. It is awesome. My laptop is nowhere near as big as 17 inches, but look at how nice and easy it fits in there. Now we're gonna move on to the side because it can fit a water bottle, and it's, you know, cinched, so you can actually fit a pretty big water bottle in here. And then we're going to go to the back. Obviously there is a handle because you do want to wheel it. It is on wheels. And then it does have a trolley pass-through, so that if you do want to double up and bring this in addition to other luggage, you can slide it on top of your favorite luggage. And of course there's a zipper here, so you can put essential items in there while you have it. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and open it up. And you know what? One of the absolute coolest things about this bag is that it fits a whole bunch of stuff, and it's still a great small little size, but when you're not using it, it compresses down for easier storage. Let's open it up. Did I mention that I love that these zippers have these little pulley things? I love when zippers have that. So much easier. Boom. There's stuff inside. Let's start here. So you have this little mesh compartment here. This I would probably maybe put some sort of cord for my computer. If I've got my computer right here, I could put a cord. And then we have a mesh pocket right here to put any essentials in that you may need. Now we can look at the inside. Thank you for your purchase and supporting our business. Did I mention that this is a small business, you guys? I think it is so nice to support a small business. It does come with luggage tags, which is awesome. It just says Underseat Pro, and then you can just put your information. Love it. And then we do have a little see-through case for your TSA approved liquids. I love that it comes with that, and it has little straps. That's incredible. So let's check out the inside. This is a lot of space, you guys. It's all of that right there. So we have a zippered mesh compartment here. We have one here too, and guess what? We have one here too. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mesh zippered compartments. You guys know I'm obsessed with organization, so I'm loving this already, especially if you're packing personal item only. Yeah! Okay, so let's measure the depth of this inside here. Really about 6 3/4 deep, so this is great. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is take this apart to show you guys how it folds down smaller for you to be able to store it, because I know not all of you have luggage shelves like I do. It's getting a little crowded. There are zippers all the way around. There's a zipper in the back here and a zipper in the back here, and then you're going to take these sides, undo the Velcro, take this side, undo the Velcro, and then take this flap, put it over, and it has Velcro, and look at how much smaller that gets. So let's put it back together because we gotta pack this thing. Zip it back up, do the Velcro back up, and we're good. So now what I wanna do is pack it with everything that I packed the last time that I traveled personal item only. The thing is, I'm a really good packer, but I'm a really bad unpacker. Luckily, I have all of that packed still, so let's put it all in this bag to see how it fits. We are going to start with my small packing cube from Church Travel Gear, I might add. Then we are going to do the tube cube. We have the electronics bag. We have my toiletries bag. We have my purse. Let's go ahead and just put it in here because it's a nice flat little area. And then we have my liquids bag, which was pretty minimal considering I was only traveling for a little bit. I have sunglasses. I have 2 tripods and stuff for my camera. And I still have room. This is awesome. Oh, this is so cool. And of course, can't forget my laptop. I did travel with that as well. We will put it on the outside where it belongs. And it has some compression that we don't even really need to use, but we can. And we're gonna go ahead and close it. Awesome. This actually fits a lot of stuff. It actually fits 30 liters of things, to be exact. Now, let's take it to the airport and see how it fits in the sizers, because that is important. And then real quick, guys, before we head to the airport, I need to just chat with you about something real quick. We need to talk about Frontier Airlines, especially every single time that I do a review of a personal item, because Frontier Airlines has been making headlines lately about just, they're getting a little wild. And I especially want to talk about it with this bag because there have been people that have done negative reviews because they said, it doesn't work on Frontier. I don't want this bag anymore. It does work on Frontier, and I'm going to prove it when I go to the airport. Frontier lately has been making up their own rules, if you will, about the sizers. On the website, it clearly states that your item needs to be 14 by 18 by 8, including handles, wheels, and straps. It also states that the size of the bag will be checked in the sizers upon boarding, which is fine, just like Spirit as well. But Frontier has kind of been making up their own rules. If it fits in the sizer, it fits in the sizer. But Frontier will say, well, you have to drop it in from a height, or one of your straps can't fall out. Okay, a lot of people have seen the viral video of the girl that posted on TikTok where she brought a bag that clearly fit in the sizers and the strap went over and they said no, which is absolutely ridiculous. So sorry for interrupting this beautiful review, but I do need to talk about that because this will fit in the sizers. A lot of other personal items will fit in the sizers. You're going to buy personal items that are 18 by 14 by 8 or smaller, and then Frontier is going to potentially bully you about it. If you want me to talk more about this, let me know down below and I will make a video. But as for right now, let's go to the airport and hopefully I can talk to a gate agent that works for Frontier and prove to you guys that this bag fits. Oh my gosh, there's another pocket I didn't know about. Hey. Definitely looks like it fits. Would work on here or not in the personal item bin? It's good? All right, the ladies did not want to be on camera, but the gate agents did say that this would work. Now, I do want to measure the bin though, because Frontier's been a little wild lately, so hold on. Exactly 14, exactly 18, and exactly 8. Maybe like a little bit off. Now we'll go to Spirit. How much bigger the bin Spirit is than Frontier? Alright guys, so definitely passed quite a few tests. It's good on Spirit. They say it's good on Frontier. I personally am not going to be flying Frontier anytime soon, but this one did fit, and I had 2 gate agents say that it would fit, so I'm very happy. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you later. Bye!